Hey guys, it's River Dave with Team RDP. It seems to be a theme with us lately, but welcome to your new view. Again, panoramic from the front yard and the backyard. Welcome to 2605 Hacienda Place. This house is absolutely amazing. The architecture is incredible. You guys are gonna love it. Let's go inside and take a look. All right guys, so now that you've seen a little bit of the house, check out this backyard. It's absolutely amazing. They did a great job with the lot. The house follows the lot, the backyard does as well. Look, it's multi-level, the pool is down there, and we are standing outside right now in this outdoor bar and kitchen underneath this crazy cool shade deck.
This is not just a shade deck, Dave. This is an observation deck of your dreams. It has a jacuzzi on top, and you can have your cocktails and party on with all your friends.
Let's go upstairs and take a look. I stand corrected, she's right. It is an observation deck and there is a jacuzzi up here. Anyhow guys, we look down at our party below with the pool and the overlook, once again, the whole lake. I can see, man, you can see all the way to the corner of the sandbar all the way out there. And you can obviously see all the way down and around the island. Epic view, very, very cool house. Give us a call at
928-486-2399 or
928-225-3375. Thanks, guys.